Hi, it's kasey-dee, and you're watching Why Tell Me Why. We are answering your questions this week, and of course, it's another health one. We want to find out why we get hiccups. Here's your answer.
Hiccups, we have to understand the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a thin, flat muscle, kind of like a pancake that sits underneath the lungs. When the diaphragm moves down, the lungs expand to get larger, and we inhale air. When the diaphragm comes up, the lungs get smaller and we exhale air. Sometimes the diaphragm jerks or has a spasm, and when it jerks, that's a hiccup. We don't know why it jerks, but sometimes it does. Fortunately, it's only 5 or 10 or 15 jerks at a time, and it stops on its own.
And Dr. Kellerman says in rare circumstances, hiccups can last a day, sometimes even months. In that case, you should seek treatment, but otherwise they're not dangerous. Now, any other questions you have, email me at whytellmewhy@discovery.com.
Hi, we're the Discovery News video team, and we want your videos.
Your science videos, to be exact. So if you're a student doing experiments at home, or a researcher in the field,
And if you have a camera,
then capture those experiments and upload them to our website.
it's pretty easy. Here's how you do it. Just go to this website below,
dsc.discovery.com/news/sidewalk science.
and if they get our Bunsen's burning, we will put them online.
And you will be recognized
for the mad genius you really are! That's all I have to say.